Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to Delta Rules. In today's video, we got more unusual options activity. Now, guys, remember the information presented by Delta Rules is for educational purposes only. Trading stocks and options involve risks that are not suitable for all investors. Please make sure to always do your own due diligence. Now, guys, if you ended up on this video and you don't know anything about options trading or about how options work, I do have 3 courses down below that will teach you about options from top to bottom, as well as a video showing you how to set up a scanner on Thinkorswim for unusual options activity. Having said that, the first stock that we're going to be talking about is SVM, and this is Silver Corp Metals. They are a mining company. Now, as you guys could tell here, there was quite a bit of volume for this 15th of October 7.5 calls. Coming down here, we could actually see that there's quite a bit of long-term call buying, which is the not really long-term, but 15th of October, and then short-term call selling. As you guys can see, most of the ones that are getting sold are short-term, so it looks like someone is pretty much rolling over. So this is definitely something I'm looking at. I really like what they're doing here, as far as the signs pretty much that they're getting out of the early ones, getting into some more long-term ones. I really like that. So this is definitely something I'm looking at. Looking at the charts, we could tell that it had a good dip today. So it was definitely a good day to buy some calls. So this is definitely the first one I'm looking at. I really like it. The resistance it's there. It's not overbought. It's not oversold. It is there. It may keep on coming down a little bit. However, I do like it for the long-term options. So this is definitely something I'm looking at. Second one I'm looking at is going to be TBA. And TBA is a private, give me 1 second here. And that is Thomas Bravo Advantage. And they are a private equity investment firm. They are pretty much a blank check company, that wants to merge with someone or pretty much have ownership of a specific company, whichever the case may be. I'm not exactly sure if they're actually field specific as far as, I don't think there's many news out there about this company, to be completely honest with you guys. If you guys do know something about this company, please let me know down below. But looking at the chart, we could tell that, this is pretty much the max that it has gone. It hasn't been around for long. It looks like it has been taking a little bit of a hit. So to see people coming over here and actually buying some calls, and as you guys could tell, this are all buys. It looks like people are coming in here and actually starting to buy. As you guys could tell, the call sizzle index, which is pretty much letting us know if there's more than usual activity, or pretty much the call multiplier is pretty high. So this is definitely something I'm looking at. Now, it is a little tricky looking at this option and, and thinking that they were bought, because they were bought at the midway. It was bought at 45 cents. The bid was 20. The ask was 65. However, if you guys ever want to be sure of, if an option actually was bought or sold, or, longed or short, just look at the time that option was bought. It was 15:31. We could actually go over to the chart. We could pull up the daily. Here it is, daily 1 minute. We could go over to around the time 15:31. It was kind of around here, and we could tell that at 15:31. Let's actually take a look. Oh man, I went in on this. Okay, here it is. So 15:31. We could tell that there was a green candle on there. So this pretty much lets me know that that option was actually purchased. Now it did come down and it did, consolidate throughout the rest of the day. So this is pretty much something that lets me know, this option was most definitely bought. As soon as it was bought, it went up to I can't see that, $7.90 something or $10, something like that. And then it came back down and it consolidated throughout the rest of the day. So that's usually something that lets me know that these options are actually purchased. So this is definitely something I'm liking. That is the last one that I have for you guys today. I really appreciate everybody that has been liking, subscribing. I really love you guys. Stay safe out there.